A big snowstorm is on its way, but don't you worry. I've got some amazing snow removal hacks to make your life so much easier. First up, before the snow even starts, spray your shovel with a little cooking spray or WD-40. The snow will slide right off, no sticking, no extra effort. Got some icy steps or a frozen car lock? Instead of chipping away, mix 1 part water with 2 parts rubbing alcohol in a spray bottle. A quick spritz and watch that ice melt away instantly. And here's a pro tip for your car: put some old socks over your windshield wipers before the storm hits. It stops them from freezing to the glass. Stay warm, stay safe, and let's beat this storm together. If you found these tips helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more life hacks. Thanks for watching.